Hi, my name is Max Greiner, and I'm originally from San Diego. I recently graduated with a bachelor's in mechanical engineering. During my studies, I worked at a startup incubator on campus called Zip Launchpad. I enjoyed working with entrepreneurs to help them develop their startup ideas. This required lots of 3D printing to iteratively come up with innovative designs. After I graduated, I looked for a position in the 3D printing sphere and found a position at 3DCERAM Tiwari Sinto. Now I'm a 3D printing research and development engineer based in Berlin. I am here visiting and presenting some developments in the robocasting. This technology will later be used on the M.A.T, which is a multi-additive technology. The M.A.T is a new FFF machine for ceramics that will later use the newly developed robocasting head. I also help manufacture ceramic parts while now working on this development.